Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a glam fall DIY project. I've taken some inspiration from one of you guys and created a breakfast at Tiffanys glam pumpkin. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I always enjoy reading your lovely comments and feedback, and my sweet friend Lindsay B left me a comment recently and asked me to do a breakfast at Tiffanys themed pumpkin. I took this pumpkin that I already had from TK Maxx, and taking my favourite turquoise colour, I gave the pumpkin 2 coats. Isn't it amazing, guys, how paint can transform something so simply? I love already how this is turquoise and goes so perfectly with my home decor. Now, sticking with my Audrey Hepburn theme, I printed out a 6x4 size of this Audrey picture of her blowing bubblegum. Now, taking a pair of scissors, guys, you are going to cut this out around the entire shape of Audrey. Once you've cut it out, guys, you're going to do a little bit of decoupage. So you're going to take some Mod Podge and you're going to glue this to the front of the pumpkin. Now, because the pumpkin is an uneven surface, what you're going to do is you're going to cover the back of Audrey with the Mod Podge, and now you're going to place it into the centre of the pumpkin. Now, I didn't glue her completely down. What you're going to do is take some more of that Mod Podge on a brush, and you are going to do strokes from the middle and then add Mod Podge out towards the left and right hand side. This is going to help you eliminate the creases in between the pumpkin. So what I did is I went over with 2 coats over the top, which then dries clear. Now, while Audrey was drying, I took some of this sheer-like ribbon. And what you're going to do here, guys, is we're going to make a little tutu around the top of the pumpkin. Now, it's really simple. Just add a bead of hot glue around the stem, and you're just going to overlap one at a time as you go round the pumpkin. Now, be super careful here, guys. I was using my fingers at the beginning, but learnt the hard way. So just get something like your scissors here to smooth it down into the hot glue. Once that was complete, I then took these dollar store rhinestones and I added them around the top of the stem. Now, Audrey wouldn't be our Audrey without her little tiara. So I picked this one up from my local dollar store and I removed the comb from the back and hot glued it to the front of the stem. I then took these dollar store crystal rhinestones and I wanted to give some definition to Audrey. So I added one to each of her ears so it would look like earrings. Now, I also took these smaller rhinestones and I added them to the tiara in her hair. Now, guys, you probably see here there's a little bit of glitter in Audrey's hair. That is just from my brush, unfortunately, when I put the Mod Podge on. So just check your brush is super clean before you do the Mod Podge. Now, once that was complete, I then took these dollar store rhinestones once again and I created a little frame around Audrey. And here is my adorable Audrey Hepburn fall pumpkin. Guys, you know I love anything glam, anything Marilyn, and anything Audrey. And the idea of putting this together from the beautiful Lindsay B was a total inspiration for me to have a go at my very own Audrey Hepburn pumpkin. Guys, this was such a simple DIY once again. Who knew that a little bit of paint, a few little sparkles, and a picture of Audrey herself could give me such a glam little pumpkin for the fall season? Being a non-traditional girl, this fits my style so perfectly. I have a lot of turquoise throughout my home, so doing something with Audrey and the Breakfast at Tiffanys theme was the perfect style for what I had in mind. However, again guys, this little project could take on a whole new meaning with your own personal style. Possibilities, guys, are endless and they're really entirely up to you. You could do a Marilyn Monroe theme one here. I'd love to have a go at one of those. Blush pink pumpkin with Marilyn blowing that pink bubble gum. I can just see it now with a little pink tutu on top. Maybe you're after a rustic glam theme, guys. Here's an idea. Paint this pumpkin a beautiful latte brown. Add to the front a picture of a rustic or silver-like leaf, and then add a little bit of bling, and you've instantly got your rustic glam pumpkin. As much as I love to share ideas with you guys, I love to show projects like this that can take on so many variations, and I want to give you ideas just in case this one wasn't for you. As I said before, guys, I'm totally inspired by you all. You're the ones that give me so many wonderful ideas, and I love reading through the comments. So if, like Lindsay B, you have an idea that you'd love for me to have a go at, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll certainly take it on board. I absolutely love seeing a project come to life. As soon as I read Lindsay's comment, I thought, okay, how am I going to bring Audrey to life on a fall pumpkin? Guys, I absolutely love cozy nights by the fire, and I love nothing more than finding new ways to bring ideas to you. I love with this project that I shopped my own home. I already had the pumpkin from last year, and I had the dollar store items because I do so many projects. I encourage you all, guys, to really think outside the box. This truly is an example of a project that may not have a traditional side, but still fits in with my glam fall decor. I'm one of those girls that is instantly drawn to anything that sparkles and anything that's pretty. And I love that my little pretty Audrey came together on her very own fall pumpkin. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed watching me bring together my very own Audrey Hepburn pumpkin for fall. Leave a comment down below, guys, if you are going to have a go at your very own Audrey Hepburn pumpkin. A big shout out has to go, guys, to my sweet friend and subscriber Lindsay B, who gave me this wonderful inspirational idea that I so enjoyed bringing to life. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, just like Lindsay B, if you'd like me to have a go at something particular that you'd like to see this fall season. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.